Yamaha delivers big power in the compact and quiet EF2200iS inverter generator, built with Yamaha premium inverter technology that delivers clean power for sensitive electronics. The EF2200iS produces 2200 watts of power to meet the demands of outdoor enthusiasts and DIY projects around the house. Yamaha's high-output MZ80 OHV air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine delivers a maximum of 2200 watts of AC power at 18.3 amps and 120 volts. For additional power, 2 units can be connected via Yamaha's twin-tech parallel cables. Together, they produce added power with a combined output of 3600 watts or 30 amps at 120 volts. Great for that needed power boost with the convenience of carrying the smaller, lighter generators. The EF2200iS is also built for efficient and quiet operation, capable of running a continuous 10.5 hours at 1/4 load with noise levels of 57 to 65 dBA, allowing people to maintain a normal conversation with ease while it's running. Lightweight and easy to carry by 1 or 2 people with an intuitive triple-handle design, the EF2200 is designed for outdoor enthusiast usage, for camping and other outdoor activities, portable emergency backup power, and as a power source on many DIY home projects. Equipped with a carbon monoxide sensor, the generator features LED indicator lights that notify the user of carbon monoxide emission levels or system malfunctions. When the sensor detects elevated levels of carbon monoxide, the generator will automatically shut off for approximately 5 minutes, warning the user to move to a well-ventilated space. Yamaha's EF2200iS inverter generator sets the industry standard for portable power in an efficient and compact package.